Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Travelers is a Fortune 500 company within the property and casualty insurance industry. The stock price has performed like the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 4.7%. Earnings growth, 7.1%. Earnings estimates, 8.94%. Return on equity, 10.42%. Debt to free cash flow, 0.58 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.06%. Payout ratio, 24.96%. Growth rate, 5.9%. Growth years, 16 years. That gives Travelers 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at Travelers for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Travelers is fairly valued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.